My name is John, and this is my channel, Whi7ecraft Woodworking. And I would like to thank all of you that came to my channel or stumbled upon it and saw it. Was kind of curious and clicked on it. So I want to thank all of you for viewing my channel, and hopefully by the end of this video you'll like and subscribe it. But I wanted to make an introductory video, basically of kind of who I am, what my purpose is with my channel. The purpose of my channel is solely building on a budget, collecting tools on a budget, getting the things that you need on a budget. And there are a lot of woodworking channels out there on YouTube and independent websites that they build a lot of cool stuff, beds and just a lot of cool stuff. And yeah, it's really cool watching everything all the work that goes into it, and them explaining things of what they're doing and how they're doing it and stuff. But the one thing that really no one ever does is talk about the cost and how expensive woodworking actually is. To put things into perspective for you, a few months ago I bought 2 sheets of 4x8, 3/4 inch oak veneered plywood from my local big box store. 2 sheets, and that's it. It cost me over $100. That's really expensive, and that's a really big chunk of change for most DIYers and weekend warriors, especially if you have a house to pay for and kids to pay for, and you work a regular 40-hour job, or even those that don't have a 40-hour job. Woodworking is a very difficult hobby to get into, and it can be quite defeating. However, with my channel, my aim is to show those of you that are feeling defeated on the weekends and want to do stuff. I want to show you that it is possible that people like us, people like you, are able to afford and get the correct accommodations to begin woodworking for a hobby and potentially make something nice for your wife, girlfriend, husband, boyfriend, son, daughter, mom, dad, whatever. And with hopefully with me showing you that it is possible, you'll take up the mantle and say, you know what, I can do this. The frequency of my videos isn't going to be like the average YouTuber where they're constantly throwing content. I like with building things and stuff, I can't do that. Financially, that's impossible. Why? Because I have a regular day job. I have a family that I have to take care of, and I have other priorities that take precedence over my hobbies. And right now, woodworking is one of my hobbies. Also, another small thing about me is I know next to nothing about woodworking. I know my basic safety procedures. I know how to operate these tools, and I know a good deal about them that I'm comfortable teaching others how to handle these tools. But as far as figuring everything out, how to properly finish sand, all that stuff, I am bringing this to my entire channel, to all of you. Just in case there are people that are on the other side of the screen just being like, oh man, I want to build stuff, but I don't know the first thing about it. Well, hopefully I could be used as kind of like your lightning rod to give you a jolt of encouragement. And lastly, since woodcrafting is an expensive hobby, or it can be a very pricey hobby, through all of my videos I will be showing you the kind of tools that I get. I'm just a regular DIY weekend warrior, right? So I'll be showing you the tools that I get and the process that I take in picking out the tools that I need. So if you have any kind of questions or comments that you want to leave, feel free. And if you look forward to experiencing the content and the projects that I have in store, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and ring that bell. Because I will tell you this, even though I don't know much about woodworking, I know that I am capable of building anything I put my mind to. So, join me on my quest of learning and experiencing a very, well, I think, intoxicating hobby. Until then, I'll see you on the flip side.